1. Are online Quran classes suitable for beginners? Yes, online Quran classes cater to learners of all levels, including beginners. Many online platforms offer specially designed courses that focus on foundational knowledge and provide step-by-step guidance for beginners. Qualified instructors and interactive learning resources ensure that beginners receive the necessary support and guidance to embark on their Quran learning journey. 2. How do I ensure the credibility and quality of online Quran learning platforms? When choosing an online Quran learning platform, it is important to consider factors such as accreditation, certification, and instructor qualifications. Look for platforms that are recognized by reputable Islamic education bodies and offer certified courses. Additionally, read reviews and testimonials from previous learners to gauge the quality and effectiveness of the platform. 3. Can I learn the Quran online even without prior knowledge of the Arabic language? Absolutely. Online Quran classes often cater to learners who do not have prior knowledge of the Arabic language. These classes provide a comprehensive curriculum that includes Arabic grammar and vocabulary lessons to facilitate understanding and recitation of the Quran. With the help of qualified instructors and interactive resources, learners can gradually develop their Arabic language skills alongside Quranic knowledge.